If you've been contemplating a C6 Z06, now's the time before values skyrocket. Now, Hagerty is estimating that the value of the C6 Z06 is going to go up over the course of the next year. Now, what they call the last of the analog era, cars from the late 90s, early 2000s are getting much more desirable. Number one on the list is the C6 Z06. It's the most bang for your buck car in the used car market, and for good reason. Now, we all know by now that the C6 Z06 comes with the LS7 engine, 505 horsepower, 470 pound-feet of torque, with a curb weight of only 3,100 pounds that will accomplish 0 to 60 in 3.7 seconds. Run low 11-second quarter mile times at a top speed of around 200 miles an hour. So you can easily see why this car is highly desirable. But it's not just a straight line car. This thing also has 6 piston calipers up front, 4 piston calipers in the rear, large cross-drilled rotors, and a track-focused suspension setup. Now, in my personal opinion, I think this is one of the meanest, most raw Corvettes to ever come off the assembly line. Hagerty values this car in excellent condition with low miles at about $55,900. And they're suspecting that's going to go up over the next year. I am curious what they're going for in your town. Please put it in the comments what you see C6 Z06 is going for in your area and what kind of mileage they have. Now, these things aren't perfect though. We know they have valve train issues. These things can drop a valve at any given time and totally wipe out the motor. But if you are lucky enough to find one that hasn't done that yet, all you gotta do is do a cam swap, upgrade the valve train, and you have a super reliable car with pretty close to 600 wheel horsepower. Now, I know some people are going, oh, it's only 600 tires. 600 horsepower is a lot. I don't care who you are, especially when the car only weighs 3,100 pounds. That's sick. I've seen a lot of these go even more than that. Full exhaust, tune, and a cam swap. I've seen them in the mid 600 range. Now, as I mentioned earlier, Hagerty is saying this is kind of the final chapter of an analog era. I fully agree with them. After the C6, things got way too computerized. Things are just video games on wheels at this point. I personally loved cars from the 90s and the early 2000s for this very specific reason. The more raw it is, the more analog it is, the more driver feel you get, the more connected you are with the car, and it's just a much greater experience overall. The C6 Z06, unfortunately, is a car I've not yet been able to drive. I don't even know anyone who has one, so I don't have that option. But if you have one, I want to hear what your setup is. Year, color, engine mods, let us know down in the comments, and what are other C6Zs going for in your area. I personally would love to have one of these in my garage. Unfortunately, don't have the money or the space right now, but let us all down in the comments about yours. Hit that like and subscribe button on your way out, and I'll see you in the next upload.